Hi, so today I want to make a nice mini workout in support of your heart. So the heart in Chinese medicine is the home of the Shen, which is the main spirit of the body. And if you're feeling a lot of stress and you're feeling a lot of anxiety, the Shen doesn't feel comfortable in your body and it can vacate. And then you can have even more stress and more tension in your life. So we want to make sure that the Shen feels at home and that you have more peace and joy in your life. So let's begin with a nice upright posture. Let your feet be about shoulder width apart. And let's begin by breathing in and gathering some energy from the earth as if you have suction cups on your hands. Turn them forward to grab energy from nature, turn them up and grab some from the sky and give a little wash over the front of the body, washing away any stress or tension that might be there. And again, inhale, gathering from earth. Turn them forward from nature, turn them up and grab some from the sky. And imagine you can wash down the back of the body, cleansing away any tension down the spine, over the buttocks, backs of the legs, and into the earth. And again, one more time. And imagine we can open the crown. We're cleaning the brain, the center of the throat, right through the chest and the heart area, down through the abdomen, pelvis, and legs, down through your feet, and into the earth. And just take a moment to bring your hands over your heart. Just smile to your heart. Thank your heart for all that it does. And let's do a little extra support for the heart. So if you're feeling a lot of tension, a lot of stress, we're going to do an exercise called wrist cross. So let your hands come down. And let's inhale, lift the arms. And now we're going to cross the wrists. And now the thing is, you're not actually touching. You're leaving some space here between the wrists and bring them down in front of your heart. So it's like a protective move. And we're going to pull off any tension and we're going to send that down into the earth. So let's do that with the breath. Let's inhale. Bring the hands down, exhale. Little pause here as we focus on the heart. Inhale. Pull off the tension and release it. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Gather. From energy from all around, pull it down as we exhale. A little moment of pause, saying hello to the heart as we inhale, and then exhale, sending it down into the earth. Good. And again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do that a couple more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Lovely. Just get a sense of washing away that tension as you flow down, bringing more divine light in. Nice breath. Let it settle there, and then the tension can be released down into the earth. Good. I know I said 2. Let's do one more. Feels so good. Let's do one more. Come down. Little pause there to let that divine energy settle in and then pull off the tension and release that down into the earth. Good. And then bring one hand below your heart and one hand above. Let's imagine we're forming a ball, a healing ball of light. And that ball can be red or pink or white, anything on that spectrum, whatever feels right for you. If you feel like you need a lot of chi, you may want a red, like fire engine red. If you're feeling a lot of tension, you may want it to be softer, like a pink or a white. So working with that intention, and you don't have to see it. Intention is power. So let's take a breath in, and let's slowly go over to the right and push. And we're going to create like a T, one hand at the forehead, one hand at the heart, to create a protective space for your heart. And now let's reform that ball. Come back to the heart. And now we're going to switch the hands as we go to the other side, making our T and protective space here. So now we got the left hand on top and the right hand here at the heart. And now we'll continue to hold them here. Inhale. And then exhale. Now your right hand's on top and your left hand pushes through at the heart level. So like you want to have this protective movement here. And then we're going to breathe in that color. And then we're going to push away any tension and create a safe space, creating more space for your heart to be in. Try to breathe with the nose if you can. Let your tongue rest right there on the upper palate. And we'll inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Turning at the waist here. And you can even shift the weight a little bit to the side that you're pressing to. And one more here over the left. And one more to your right. And then come back to center and take that ball of color that you've chosen and place it in your heart. A little moment of pause with your heart. Let it fill with that vibrant color. Just thanking the heart once again. And then bringing your hands down. And let's make another outline of the earth, bringing the hands up. And then pause them when they get in front of the heart. Like you're embracing a tree. In fact, this is called Embrace the Tree. And just let your elbows relax, let your shoulders be down. And slowly let your left hand drop down by your waist. So you got just one hand up here now. Shift your weight to the right, turn your hips to the right, and let's float it over. This is called cloudy hands. And now you're going to lift your left hand up by the chest, and the right hand's going to drop down by your waist. And you're going to stay facing the right, but first shift your weight to the left, then turn your hips to the left and float that hand right across the heart like we're giving some more support to the heart as we face here the left side. Switch the hands, right hand up, left hand by the waist. Shift your weight first, turn the hips second, float the hands third. So you're not leading with the hands. You really want them to be soft. We do transition the hands and then we shift, turn the hips and float those hands like a cloud floating across the sky. And shift. Turn the hips, float the hands back over to the right side. And once you kind of get this, and you can always watch my other video with this one, you can begin to just play with this floating movement, making it very soft and gentle, just like we want to have support for the heart. Just going back and forth. Shifting the weight, turning the hips so you're moving from your center. And let's do one more here to the right. And one more here to the left. Bring your hands down and just feel some energy. As we start to work with the energy that opens up the heart, you can start to feel a little bit more energy perhaps here, and place that in your heart. And smile once again. A moment of gratitude for your heart. Great. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.